My favorite winter recipe is pork ribs with canjiquinha. I'm Tati from Panela Terapia, and you're going to learn it right now. I start by sautéing a small onion and about 2 tablespoons of bacon. I'm using lard to sauté, but you can use olive oil too. Here, almost a tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm going to sauté it a bit. And now I'm going to add the pork ribs. Half a kilo of smoked pork ribs, not to be confused with the salted ribs for feijoada. Okay, this is just smoked. Then I add the cracked corn. The cracked corn, guys, is just 1 cup washed. You don't need to soak it, okay? Since it's going in the pressure cooker, it'll soften. I'll add a chopped seedless tomato. Now cover it with liquid. I prefer using beef broth since I usually have some frozen from making pot roast. But if you don't have it, you can use a bouillon cube or powder or just not use anything. Just use water, okay? Close the pressure cooker and cook for 20 minutes. It's ready when done. No need for extra salt or seasoning. The smoked ribs and bacon provide plenty of flavor. If desired, season now, add green onions, mix, and it's ready. It's wonderful. You'll love making this. If smoked ribs aren't available, you can use calabresa sausage for this recipe. Let your imagination run wild. Add bell peppers if you like. It turns out great. What do you think?